Hey everyone, just here to tell you a little bit about something that is very standard that I think everyone has in the house. It's soap to clean your hands, antibacterial hand soap. I love soft soap. It's been around forever. I use it for my little soap dispenser right here. I fill it up with soap, and this is usually like the one that I purchase. Softsoap Antibacterial has been around for a really long time. This is a unique formula I use only with Softsoap Antibacterial. They do have like little plastic dispensers that you could buy on your own, like so you don't have to you don't have to buy one of these. But I already had it, so I'm like, all right, I might as well just keep buying like the soap and refilling it. I think it's cheaper that way to like refill it rather than buy a new one of these every single time you need soap. Because I don't know about you, but I go through a lot of soap in my house. Me and my husband are like constantly washing our hands, and I know if you have kids, like you always have to wash their hands. They're playing outside, they're like getting into things, germs, whatever. So you have to be really careful about that. So this is Softsoap brand antibacterial hand soap with moisturizers, so it doesn't leave your skin like dried out or anything after you use it. It keeps your hands really soft. I believe the proper way, I'm sure it says it on the back, but I believe the proper way is that you're supposed to wash your hands up to your elbows. I know like if I'm cooking or anything, I always try to like wash my hands really well, or I use cleaners, stuff like that. I just try to be as clean as possible. So this gently cleans and protects. The crisp clean one, the refill, so it's 32 floral ounces or 1 quart or 946 milliliter container. Plastic, so it's recyclable, and this will definitely last you like a long time. I think I've had this for several months, and I still have a little bit left, and I literally just refilled this yesterday, so I think it'll last you guys like a good amount of time. On the back here it says Softsoap. The unique formula of Softsoap antibacterial liquid hand soap combines antibacterial protection with moisturizers and leaves your skin feeling soft and protected. It is clinically proven to eliminate 99.9% of bacteria. Due to the unique formula, Softsoap Antibacterial Refill should only be used with Softsoap Antibacterial Pump and is not compatible with other liquid hand soaps. If you choose to combine with other hand soaps, you must rinse out the pump prior to filling. Drug facts. Active ingredient, benzalonium chloride, 0.13%. The purpose is antibacterial. The use helps eliminate bacteria on hands. Warnings: for external use only. When using this product, avoid contact with eyes. In case of contact, flush with water. Keep out of reach of children, except under adults' supervision. If swallowed, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. Directions: wash hands and rinse. Inactive ingredients: water, cetrimonium chloride, glycerin, lauramidopropylene oxide, cocoamide MEA, sodium chloride BEG 120, methyl glucose diolate, fragrance, citric acid, tetrasodium EDTA. Questions: that's the number you could call in a hand washing test versus the following common harmful bacteria: aureus and E. coli. Distributed by Colgate-Palmolive Company, New York, USA. You can visit www.softsoap.com and Save Water, www.colgate.com/savewater. Recyclable bottle. So that's the code you could scan. Expires May 2020. Plenty of time still. And like I said, I bought this a few months ago. Has the recyclable symbol on the back. And then it's like really easy to open. Like this screws off, but you could also just pop it open so that when you refill it, it won't all pour out like crazy fast. So I like that it has this easy little spout. So it smells good. It definitely smells clean, like the label. And then it's like a medium thick, maybe like a watery, like a little bit more of like a watery honey consistency, if that makes sense. It lasts a long time, and I really like that. I feel like very clean after I use it. It gets very sudsy, very foamy, and I guess the proper way to wash your hands is 60 seconds up to your elbows in like hot water or medium water. That's what I do. I'm very like clean about it because you never know. It's like I don't want to get sick, and just to be precautionate, I'm like always washing my hands. So I definitely recommend this product. This is Softsoap brand Antibacterial hand soap with moisturizers in Crisp Clean. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope you guys try this out for yourself, and I hope you love it. Thanks for watching.